Alright, guys. Yeah, I hope you like to know what I built today. Still in the process of upskilling my coding skill. So today I built a random color generator which can be used to generate color palettes for designers. So actually, if you check my HTML file here, there is nothing much, just my name and the heading. So I am normally supposed to create div that will contain those color code boxes. But I see it as kind of a waste of time because I will still have to call those classes in my .js. So if you check my CSS here, you can see I have created a class here, color container dot color container, which is the div that I'm going to regenerate to have multiple div for my color code boxes, right? So I've fixed all the properties already on the CSS. So going over to my .js, you can see I um over here, this is the color I set from my CSS, right? But what I actually want to achieve is I want to generate a random color. So as you refresh the site, you'll be having different colors again, which can really help in color psychology and when choosing color for your designs. Right. So you see you can see this is the color I generated with my .js, right? I also asked JavaScript to write into the inner text of my HTML the color codes, right? So this is what I mean. You can see. So the here as you refresh, the color changes. You refresh, the color keep changes, right? So this is where I did the I did the statement. Look at the function that changes the color here. So I graded numbers from 0 to 9 and alphabet from A to F. So I asked JavaScript to make a color of 66 color code length, all right, for me. So this is the for loop I used to in creating it. This is a for loop I use in creating it. So and the design is responsive. If you're using a larger screen size, you know, you'll be able to still access it. It is responsive across all screen sizes, right? And if you refresh it, the color will change. So that means you have multiple colors. You can't lack color in this process. So that's what I'm working on today. It's going to really help the UI UX designers. So which I'm also one. All right. Thank you for watching. We are still in the process. We are still going. We are pushing.